Hugh Marshall. He will also make the world a better place.
Plaid Cymru would let new business pay less taxes to help them get started. Insist that Wales can set its own rates and tax. Fight to make sure that the money paid by Welsh people in tax is spent in Wales. And there is a general election on the 8th of June on Thursday. Plaid Cymru is the political party of Wales. Plaid Cymru MPs will stand up for Wales and give us a strong voice at this important time.
Plaid Cymru MPs will fight to get the money promised for our health services during the referendum campaign. Plaid Cymru MPs will protect the rights of hard-working European people who live and work in Wales.
Plaid Cymru MPs will work to get the best Brexit deal for Welsh industry and our country. So please vote for Plaid Cymru.